In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create QR codes using Figma, taking you through a step-by-step visual process. We'll explore both raster and vector formats, ensuring that by the end, you'll be proficient in generating QR codes that suit a variety of needs, whether you're embedding them in digital designs or preparing them for print. Let's start by diving into the Figma interface. First, access the QR Coder plugin. To do this, head over to the Plugins menu. This is usually accessible from the top menu bar or sometimes by right-clicking on the canvas. Once you're there, type QR Coder into the plugin search bar and click Run to open up the plugin window. This window is our main tool for creating QR codes. Now that we have the plugin ready, let's create a raster QR code. In the QR Coder plugin window, you'll see an URL input field. This is where you paste your desired URL, whether it's a website link or a YouTube video. If you want to embed an image or logo into your QR code, you'll find an option to do so by clicking the Upload Image button. Select your desired image file from your computer. Check that the mode is set to raster. Once you're ready, click the Insert QR Code button and watch as the QR code appears on your Figma canvas as a raster image. It's that simple to create and place your first QR code. Next, let's move on to creating a vector QR code. Start by creating a new frame. Select the Frame tool, which you can do quickly by hitting the F key on your keyboard. Draw a new frame on your canvas, and then we'll jump over to the Design panel on the right sidebar. Here you can adjust the frame's width and height to your desired dimensions. For example, setting it to 512 pixels gives you a nice, readable size. Once you have your frame, select it and open the QR Coder plugin again if it's not already open. Ensure that your URL is still in the URL field. This time, switch the mode from raster to vector. Hit the Insert QR Code button, and you'll see the QR code appear inside your chosen frame as a vector graphic. This is perfect for scalability, especially if you're planning to print or resize your designs without losing quality. Finally, let's test your QR code. Open the Figma prototype view by clicking the present icon located in the top right corner. Now, grab your mobile phone and use a QR code scanner app or the built-in camera app to scan the QR code displayed in the prototype. You'll observe that the scanner successfully reads the QR code and directs you to the embedded URL. This step is crucial to ensure your QR code functions as intended. And there you have it. You've now learned how to create, customize, and test QR codes in Figma, ready to be used in a myriad of design projects.